हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ हिरा तरीन। आप लोग मुझे आजकल इश्क मुर्शिद में देख रहे हैं एज मेरीन। सो थैंक यू फॉर द लव, थैंक यू फॉर द हेट। और अगर आप जानना चाह रहे हैं इश्क मुर्शिद और मेरीन के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में, देन कीप वॉचिंग समथिंग हॉट।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं आमना। आप देख रहे हैं समथिंग हॉट। दिस इज़ हॉट टॉक। मेरी आज की मेहमान, उनका तारुफ जो हुआ था मेरे साथ, वो कुछ साल पहले फ़ैशन की इंडस्ट्री में हुआ था। आई न्यू हर एज अ फैशन मॉडल, अ वेरी गुड वन, एंड देन एज अ ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर, एंड then as somebody who was an entrepreneur and started a very, very strong brand. Of course, she's also been acting for a good 10 years now. But where she is right now, as in of today, is I think even she must not have imagined कि ये होने वाला है इस ड्रामे को लेके. I'm talking about Hira Tareen. Her character Mehreen has absolutely become the point of conversation on so many platforms, so many memes, so much conversation about Mehreen, love, hate, all of that, you know, the whole shebang that comes with it. I'd like to welcome Hira. Hira, thank you so much. Welcome.
Assalamu alaikum, Amna. Thank you so much
Walaikum
for
salam. Or
having me.
it
Happy
was
to be
long
here.
overdue.
That's
It
true.
was long overdue, but you're so selective with your work that हम सोच ही रहे थे भी कब when should we actually sit down and have
Yeah.
a solid conversation about your work,
Yes,
and what
absolutely.
better time than now.
Exactly. That's what I was going to say. I think this is, it was worth the wait, I think, because now we have so much to talk
Absolutely,
about.
absolutely,
Yeah,
absolutely
absolutely.
worth the wait.
Yeah.
And you've got so much more experience now, and
True.
you're experiencing so much more
Yes,
now.
absolutely.
Has this ever happened to you before, after
Uh,
doing a drama?
You know, it has in its own little ways, but
Yeah,
not at this level.
right.
And I don't think I expected anything at this level, and from the
Yeah,
very, if we go to the very beginning of how I got approached for the character and all
बिल्कुल.
of that, it was just kind of like, I was like, what I'm going through right now, I was just kind of like, मैंने नहीं सोचा था इस तरह से होगा,
हाँ.
क्योंकि मेरीन का जो रोल था वो मुझे इमीडिएटली जब मैंने कहानी सुनी थी तो मुझे कहानी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी थी। आई वाज लाइक, ओके, दिस इज अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स, इट्स अबाउट लव।
अच्छा,
एंड
ये बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात है.
जब ये रोल मेरे पास आया तो पहले तो मुझे सबसे पहले जो सुनाई दिया गया वो था कि फारूक रिंद का ड्रामा है।
ठीक है.
ठीक है, और फारूक रिंद साहब जो हैं, मैं उनको कभी फारूक रिंद साहब कहती हूँ, कभी दादा कहती हूँ, या तो
हाँ,
बिल्कुल फॉर्मल या तो बिल्कुल कैजुअल। सेट पे सब उनको दादा कहते हैं, आई एम
बिल्कुल.
श्योर यू हैव हर्ड।
Of course.
तो जब मैंने उनका नाम सुना तो इट वाज समथिंग दैट आई हैड बीन वांटिंग टू वर्क विद हिम फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम,
Right.
बहुत अरसे से, और काफ़ी उनके प्रोजेक्ट्स भी मेरे पास आ चुके हैं, बट फॉर वन रीज़न और द अदर वो कभी, इट जस्ट डिड नॉट, द स्टार्स डिडंट अलाइन, इट डिडंट वर्क
Right.
आउट, द कैरेक्टर, या तो कभी कैरेक्टर का इशू होता था, या तो कभी कुछ डेट्स का कभी होता था, और समटाइम्स इट वुड जस्ट बी दादा टेलिंग मी दैट skip this one,
अच्छा.
and that's what I
हाँ.
really appreciate about him.
Right.
तो जब ये वाला हुआ तो he was also very adamant about it, he was sure about it, and when the director is confident about casting you,
Yeah.
then it gives you a whole different kind of
Absolutely.
confidence
आपको
altogether.
ये होता है कि there's something about it. There's your character.
Absolutely,
बिल्कुल.
yeah. And because to be very truthful about it, there's a whole lot of options in our industry, maybe, that I could have done Mehreen, and so it really gave me a very good feeling when somebody like Dada was so confident that I was the one that they thought could play Mehreen.
Yeah.
So it was really nice. I mean,
हाँ.
I just really, from that, and then also aside from Mehreen's character, जो पूरी कहानी थी, मुझे ऐसे लगा था, मुझे फीलिंग आई थी कि इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में जो कुछ with everything that's happening in Pakistan, I think people have an appetite to watch a romantic kind of a play like that's really like purely romantic. मुझे ये लगा था कि definitely लोग ये देखना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से सोचती थी, ये जो 10 साल जिस आप मैंने जो लगातार एक्टिंग का भी काम किया है, उसमें मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी कि where is the romance, कहाँ है रोमांस हमारे इंडस्ट्री में। हाँ, कभी कभी वी स्प्रिंकल इट हियर एंड देयर समटाइम्स, और जब भी किया है तो वो सुपर हिट गए हैं ड्रामे, लाइक हम सफ़र हो गया, या कोई भी है जो हमारे माइंड में रहते हैं ड्रामे, उसमें रोमांस का एक बहुत बड़ा एस्पेक्ट होता है, बट देन इस स्क्रिप्ट में रोमांस के साथ पॉलिटिक्स भी थी जो मुझे लगा कि हमारे लोग बहुत उसके साथ रेजोनेट करते हैं. सो व्हेन आई हर्ड इट आई वाज लाइक ओके, आई एम लाइक मेरीन का मुझे नहीं पता कि कितना क्या कुछ मैं कर पाऊंगी इसमें, यू नो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू हैव देयर इज अ सर्टेन स्क्रिप्ट, तो उसमें एक तो पहली बात कि पूरी स्क्रिप्ट हमारे सामने नहीं आती एज एक्टर्स. आजकल ये बहुत कॉमन चीज़ हो गई है कि वी डोंट गेट टू नो.
बिल्कुल.
हमें सिर्फ ये पता चलता है कि अच्छा इसमें मार्जिन है कुछ करने का, इज देयर समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग जो मैं इसमें ऐड कर सकती हूँ, वो मुझे नज़र आया. So I said, okay, I'm definitely doing this one, and I joined.
नहीं, मेरीन को भी देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा था that you've given a lot to the character. अपना आप, मतलब the way that Merin was styled और ये वो हम अमूमन नहीं देखते characters इतने well styled हुए हुए. So I think that was a lot of yourself, right?
Yeah, it was actually, you know, there's a very, I know a lot of people will assume that was a lot of me, but the styling and the look of Merin was one of the things that was thoroughly discussed in a lot of detail before I was even locked.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
There was a lot of, you know, I wouldn't say they were unsure about it, but they did place a lot of importance on it. Because you see, I had to look a certain age group as well. So there was a lot of discussion behind कि ये क्या look होनी चाहिए. You know, there was a whole Pinterest board that I, you know, created.
अच्छा, mood board पूरा बना.
पूरा mood board बना.
आपके बालों का रंग भी फर्क था उस वक्त.
Yes,
it was a different hair color.
Yes, और वो red वाला जो color था उसके ऊपर भी it was so funny because शुरू में जो मेरे initial days थे उसमें वो drama शुरू हो चुका था. So like, you know, Shamir's character, Shibra's character, Faraz's character, everybody had already gotten their feet wet and they were already into the, you know, zone of acting and they were already in their characters. लेकिन जब Merin का character enter हुआ तो I was kind of like, you know, the new kid in school where I'm just like entering, you know, what I felt like was, oh my God, like I'm entering this set.
सबकी दोस्तियां हो गई हैं
सबकी दोस्तियां हो गई हैं, अब क्या फायदा. लेकिन मेरा ज्यादातर जो काम था वो भी कुछ ऐसा था कि it seemed like a boys club, you know, it was like, क्योंकि मेरा काम फराज के साथ बहुत ज्यादा था.
Right.
Dawood, I'm using the character names, of course. Dawood uncle के साथ बहुत था, and of course my father.
Yes.
Harun Beg, and तो ज़्यादातर मेरा काम. And Shamir, of course. How can I forget Shamir? Yes. So you know, as you can see, Kip set हमेशा it was filled with boys.
Yeah.
And so, you know, the whole look thing. अच्छा, तो look में ये हुआ था कि there was a lot of back and forth. मैंने बहुत सारे options दिए थे. उसमें से Mumal actually picked out. She, you know, actually said not this, not this, not this. And then I'm trying to find, you know, the common things between the ones that she selected. And उसको मैं समझने की कोशिश कर रही थी कि इसमें क्या, what is she liking and what is she not liking. एंड खैर जब सेट पे हम पहुंचे तो हर किसी की लुक सेट हो चुकी थी. मेरा अभी भी नहीं कुछ पता था उनको. तो when we started rolling the camera, I remember it was one of those days where जो कराची का एक humid weather होता है, and so everything was perfect, and you know even Dada was like, "हिरा तुम तो लुक में आ गई हो, जबरदस्त ये वो." As soon as I stepped out, everything just went black.
गर्मी.
And then of course there's बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको, you know, अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट के शुरू में एंटर होते हैं तो वो सब साथ काइंड ऑफ एवरीबडी इज काइंड ऑफ वर्किंग विद ओके लाइटिंग ऐसी है, सेट के कलर्स बैकग्राउंड ऐसे हैं तो इसमें ये वाली चीज़ें अच्छी लगेंगी. सो फॉर मी आई हैड टू जस्ट गो इन एंड काइंड ऑफ learn from my mistakes.
Right.
And everybody was like kind of like in that mode right then ke, your hair color is showing too much. And I was like, oh my God, what do I do? And so they were like, can you dye it? And I'm like, I don't want to fry it even more. So they were like, you know, अच्छा कुछ करते हैं, because हर set की, like I said, lighting अलग होती है. And so this one, what was happening is it was accentuating everything, you know, the backlighting and everything, and it created a certain mood in the whole drama, and it was contributing to the entire look of it. लेकिन ये था कि you know कुछ चीजें उसी मोमेंट पे मुझे while everybody is already in the zone, मेरीन को बहुत सारी चीजें ट्वीक करनी पड़ी.
राइट.
जैसे वो लाइनर भी शुरू में नहीं था.
फिर वो लाइनर से बड़ा अच्छा था.
लेकिन वो लाइनर फिर ऐड किया गया बिकॉज कुछ चीजें वो you know they were kind of like fading on my face.
कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा स्टाइल हुआ था और बहुत अच्छा क्रिएट हुआ था. अब कैरेक्टर का जो एसेंस था वो ये था कि इतनी बड़ी पॉलिटिशियन की बेटी है एंड शी इज गॉट द हॉट्स फॉर दिस गाय, जो कि कह रहा है कि मैंने तुम्हें कभी इशारा नहीं दिया. I've never led you on.
Yeah, that's what he was saying.
But that's not true.
I mean, in the backstory in my mind that I made of what Mehreen meant to Shamir and what Shamir meant to Mehreen was कि बचपन में बहुत frequently they must have played, you know, together because of the interaction between the father and the father.
Yeah.
और एक और भी चीज़ थी कि मेरीन की माँ कहाँ थी, and वो भी मुझे mind में एक चीज़ बनानी पड़ी कि शायद you know, either she passed away or maybe there is some separation type of a deal, but you know, that is why वो daddy की princess है.
Right.
क्योंकि she doesn't have a mother, so she, you know, is daddy's princess.
And
so
daddy's princess wants Shamir.
And she wants Shamir, and she's always wanted Shamir, and she's also known that very rarely she doesn't get what she wants in life. And she also genuinely feels a closeness towards Shamir because that's the guy that she always thought कि भाई इससे ही मेरी शादी होगी, और बचपन से ही उसको कहा गया था कि भाई शादी तो आपकी इससे ही होनी है.
लेकिन खैर she went to like unreasonable lengths to, you know, वो हुआ सब कुछ, वो हुआ.
She went to unreasonable lengths, but didn't Shamir also go to unreasonable lengths to get Shibra?
Of course.
Right?
हाँ,
and so that's why I also look at this story and I'm like, wow, so like if a girl does it, थोड़ा सा अलग interpretation होती है उस चीज़ की, when a girl is adamant or persistent to get somebody that she wants in her life. But you know, if a guy does it,
well,
it's
I mean, the
looked
guy,
at as romance.
ठीक
right?
है, so
yeah.
he changed who he was, but he wasn't ready to kill somebody or kidnap somebody.
Wait a minute, though, he did kidnap the Pupo.
He did kidnap
right?
him, yeah.
So he did pull his little shenanigans to kind of get what he wants.
हाँ.
And so she's coming from the same background as him in the sense that she knows कि जब मुझे power assert करना है तो वो किस तरह से मुझे करना पड़ेगा.
So tell me, what is the psyche behind it then? Why is a woman, especially a modern woman जो television पे हम देखते हैं, बड़ा typecast किया जाता है कि you know एक modern औरत है, अगर वो ज़रा सी possessive है या strong है, opinionated है, तो वो थोड़ी सी उसका slant उसका western होगा और you know अच्छी नहीं समझी जाएगी, then she'll be slaughtered as the negative character.
Yeah.
जबकि वो कैरेक्टर जो जिसका ओपिनियन हो या जो मॉडर्न हो या जिसको पता हो कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, वो पॉजिटिव नहीं हो सकता. हाउ डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
You know, it's one of the things के जो शुरू में जब मुझे फील होता था कि और मैं ये बल्कि सेट पे भी मैंने दादा से भी बात की थी इसके बारे में कि दादा कब वो टाइम आएगा जब हमारी सोसाइटी में you know, जो मॉडर्न और जो एजुकेटेड लड़कियां दिखाई जाती हैं वो अच्छी दिखाई जाएंगी. You know? And he had a very simple answer, and it just kind of summed up his entire vision about how he thinks and everything like that. And that was his opinion. And he said that, you know, at the end of the day, हमारे माशरे में जो जिस चीज़ को beauty consider किया जाता है वो दुपट्टा होता है. I'm like, okay. I'm like, that's a very, you know, and the way I look at it, I fought with it for a while. मैंने काफ़ी अरसे तक इस चीज़ से मैं लड़ी हूँ. कुछ अरसे मैं काम करना भी मैंने बंद कर दिया. मैंने सोचा कि ये तो हमेशा मुझे नेगेटिव ही दिखाएंगे. But then अब मैंने realize किया है कि you know वो लिखे वैसे नहीं जा रहे, but I'm hopeful that there will come a time that we will start showing those kind of, you know, those, I wouldn't say gray areas, but showing modern or educated women as more positive. And I'm here for that time. So, you know, and जब तक वो नहीं है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि every modern woman in reality is a positive woman. There are negative modern people as well. As there are, you know,
absolutely
kind of conservative people who also may end up doing things that are not so considered right or kosher. तो उसी तरह से एक कहानी है और उस कहानी में somebody had to be bad. And it was so fun being bad.
Well, was it fun? Was the reaction fun? Because I believe कि the reaction has gone through the roof now.
Yeah.
और जिस तरीके की ट्रोलिंग पता नहीं हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही, but आपको लोग पहचान के लोग एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि बेटा तुम सही नहीं कर रही है. तो मतलब है कि what is the reaction? How has your life been after Ishq Murshid?
So, you know, the interesting contrast जो मैंने feel किया है कि जब मुझे पता चला कि okay, this has gone viral. Okay, there's something happening, and all of a sudden my social media was kind of going a little crazy. मैंने एक video डाली थी, it was just like a funny video, and the way people started commenting on that video, I was like, oh my god, ये तो मतलब अच्छा ये तो scene ही कुछ और है. I was
मतलब
like,
क्या video थी और क्या comment आ रहे थे?
So TikTok पे अगर कोई आपको कमेंट करता है तो आप उसके ऊपर एक वीडियो बना के जवाब दे सकते हैं. तो वो जो कमेंट होता है वो आपकी वीडियो के ऊपर ही सुपर
ठीक है,
इम्पोज होता है और
ठीक
वो
है।
नजर आता है कि वो सवाल क्या था और जवाब क्या दे रहे हैं।
हाँ,
तो सवाल ये था कि व्हाई आर यू ऑलवेज डूइंग दीज काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स।
हाँ,
तो मैंने उसके ऊपर एक ऑडियो लगाई और उसके ऊपर था कि बिकॉज इट्स आइकॉनिक एंड आई लाइक डूइंग आइकॉनिक
या
like stuff, censoring it.
हाँ,
तो उसके ऊपर like it went nuts. Like people started commenting like, you know, stuff like hate you Marine, hate you, तो आप इश्क मुर्शिद छोड़ दें, आप क्यों फजल बख्श और शिब्रा के बीच में आ रही हैं, and continuously it was like फजल बख्श और शिब्रा की जान छोड़ो, फजल बख्श की जान छोड़ो, and I'm like what is going on over here, and simultaneously because I end up being a little critical about my work, जब इश्क मुर्शिद शुरू हुआ तो मैं और अली बहुत शौक से उसको हमने देखना शुरू किया from the beginning, you know, like an audience, like पक्का like audience, like a fan, you know, we're like oh god this is going to be so good, and that whole scene of like शिब्रा जो है वो दरख्त के पीछे से आ रही है तो फजल बख्श जो है कहीं और, and I'm like oh my god this is so cool, and then as soon as I entered I kind of conveniently kind of stopped watching it with Ali because I'm so critical of my own work कि मैं थोड़ा सा ना उसको इस तरह से देखती हूँ कि I don't want to watch it with anybody, maybe I'll secretly scan through it on my YouTube. तो वो हमने देखना बंद कर दिया था, and so when this started happening I think close to like episode 17-18 when she kind of enters her villain era, and all of this started happening and I'm like whoa, I'm like there's something going on. And so then I went to YouTube and I saw कि उधर Marine के hate buttons बने हुए हैं, people are like you know commenting कि who hates Marine like this, and people are liking it, and लेकिन फिर what I really like to focus on that there were a lot of people who were you know saying कि भाई that means she did a good job, and you know that means the act you're hating. So one thing जो मुझे इधर पता चला कि हमारे मुल्क में शायद एक्टर और कैरेक्टर के बीच में डिफरेंशिएट करने में मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा सा इशू है, जज्बाती है,
कौन जज्बाती है,
तो पहले मुझे ये लगा कि शायद वो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर पा रहे। फिर कोई और हेडलाइन भी आई कि राइट नाउ हिरा तरीन इज द मोस्ट हेटेड कैरेक्टर इन पाकिस्तान, और फिर काफी लोगों ने उसके ऊपर कमेंट किया कि व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हिरा तरीन, Marine is the most hated character. तो you know so there's people defending me as well, and so I was feeling bad and good at the same time. अच्छा मुझे लगा कि ये तो मसला हो रहा है because they're actually hating me now, और अब मैं किस तरह से बाहर जाऊंगी, क्या होगा। I was getting threats.
Really? Like serious threats?
I can show you those screenshots. Yeah, my DMs were filled up.
Like what kind of threats?
Like अगर तुम प्रोटोकॉल के बगैर बाहर निकली तो तुम देखना तुम्हारे साथ क्या हशर होगा।
मजाक?
It was not. It didn't sound like मजाक. I don't know. I don't know. It kind of like
you can't really judge the tone.
That's the thing. You know, in written text you can't judge, and they were coming from accounts that were kind of जिनकी तस्वीरें भी नहीं थी और उनके कोई followers भी नहीं थे, तो लग रहा था किसी ने account बनाया है just to send me this threat kind of a thing. और 2-3 अलग किस्म के लोगों से भी थी, मतलब it wasn't the same person doing it again and again. So I was like, wait, I'm like, and then I had to travel. So अब now I'm kind of like, okay, this is going to be interesting. Now when I went out in public, like to a place like an airport, जब मैं airport पे गई तो मैंने देखा कि everybody is like showing me a lot of love.
Okay.
A lot of love.
Okay.
And like being specific about the love that they're showing me. Like you know talking about the acting aspect कि acting बहुत अच्छी की आपने और आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया, तो मुझे लगा कि अच्छा wait a minute, these people I think they're just having fun. I think people got so much into it and they just loved Shibra और फजल बख्श so much. तो उनको बस एक तरीके से एक मजा भी आ रहा था उनको to hate, like the people love to hate her.
Yeah.
Because it was coming in between, but it was also kind of making the story a little bit kind of like, I wonder what she's gonna do next, kind of a thing.
Spicier.
So yeah, थोड़ा सा spicier.
I think they loved जितना उन्होंने प्यार शिब्रा फजल बख्श को दिया है उतना वो शिब्रा और शामिर को नहीं दे रहे.
That's true.
मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कि वो क्योंकि स्पार्क और वो फोकस भी हट गया ना, रोमांस से पॉलिटिक्स की तरफ चला गया है. तो वो था ना हाई पिक, वो मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ी सी कम हुई है.
Yes.
We miss फजल बख्श. I mean.
Everybody misses Fazal Baksh a lot.
Yeah, absolutely.
So you like Fazal Baksh more than Shamir?
I mean,
as a
he
character?
was a more character, more likable character. Absolutely. फजल बख्श तो जान देने वाला बंदा था. शामिर कैलकुलेटेड है कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं नहीं जाऊँगा उनको निकालने, मैं नहीं जा सकता.
Yeah.
so वो है. But tell me, as an actor, and you are a very good actor, there's no
Thank
doubt
you.
about
Thank
that.
you.
How interesting was it to see Bilal, for example, go from Fazal Baksh to, I mean, वो सेट पे क्या होता था? Because बिलाल से तो पता नहीं कब हमारी बात होगी, but हम जानना चाहते हैं कि वो कैसे शिफ्ट करते थे between both characters. Was it like फजल बख्श की शूट्स अलग होती थी और शामिर की अलग, या
तो जहाँ तक मैंने देखा, क्योंकि मैं तो सिर्फ उसी टाइम पे गई जब मेरे सीन्स थे, राइट? तो उसमें तो शामिर मेरे सामने तो कभी भी बिलाल मेरे सामने तो कभी भी फजल बख्श नहीं बना था, बिकॉज जब हमारे सीन्स थे तो हम लोग तो हारून बेग हाउस या दाऊद हाउस और उन लोकेशंस पे थे, और जब हम लोग आउटडोर गए थे तो आई एम थिंकिंग या मे बी देयर वाज वन सीन जिसमें मैं इनको दोनों को साथ देखती हूँ गाड़ी के अंदर, और ये लोग बाहर होते हैं, तो उसमें शायद ही
एक दो
वाज,
थे सीन, एक दो शायद थे.
yeah, and then even in the mall or something, or that candy shop,
मॉल वाला.
yeah, maybe that one was also where he kind of looked like Fazil Baksh. So yeah, I mean, it was very interesting seeing, you know, Bilal kind of transform himself and his accent and everything like that. And it was amazing, but I didn't get to see it that much, you know, because वो जब scenes plan होते हैं तो वो switch इतना नजर नहीं आता, वो उसी दिन फिर वही उसी character के scenes करते हैं, so you don't get to see that kind of switch.
But it was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was absolutely
It was
amazing.
such a challenging role, and I think he did it really nicely.
Oh, absolutely. Delivered on the money. Completely.
Yeah.
So, Hira, क्या जिंदगी बदलेगी अब इश्क मुर्शिद के बाद? 2 एपिसोड्स रह गई हैं और जो नज़र आ रहा है कि सलमान साहब तो जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि प्रोमो में हम देख लिया है.
अच्छा.
और सुना था कि 2 लोग मरेंगे, तो मुझे लगा कि शायद मिस्टर हारून, मिस्टर दाऊद को भी फड़का दें.
Who told you कि 2 लोग मरेंगे?
I think the writer said so कि 2 लोग मरेंगे. I think so, yeah. किसी credible, but क्या पता चलता है आजकल ड्रामों की दुनिया में कुछ हो जाता है. But मिस्टर सलमान तो खैर जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Do you think that things are going to change for you as an actor after Ishq Murshid?
You know, I do think that things have already changed, in the sense that when I go out and if I see any of my colleagues and stuff like that, I think the way they're giving me kind of feedback now, I can sense that, you know, they've kind of have all seen it or heard about it, or there's something different that's happening. And the way people, again, not just my colleagues, like not just actors, like just even general public, I feel it has. But what, you know, I try not to expect too much, क्योंकि अगर आप एक ही प्रोजेक्ट से अटैच हो जाते हैं तो फिर उसके बाद आप, you know, आप expectations आप अपनी बहुत हाई कर रहे हैं, और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर प्रोजेक्ट में सारी चीजें इस तरह से मिलें जिसमें इस तरह का मैजिक क्रिएट हो.
बिल्कुल.
तो आई एम ट्राइंग टू काइंड ऑफ कीप अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई एम होपिंग कि इश्क मुर्शिद के बाद आई होप कि कुछ अच्छा ही हो, क्योंकि एज यू सेड, I don't want to call myself picky, because it makes it seem like I'm just being picky just to be picky, but because I am a little bit, you know, obviously I have a life as a mother as well, and as you said, the brand thing, that's also kind of coming back. So, you know, I really have to be careful about where I kind of put my time into, and is it going to be kind of worth it for me in the long
time?
कि एक तो शॉर्ट टर्म बेनिफिट हर कोई देखता है कि यू नो कितना अच्छा रोल है या कितना अच्छा चलेगा ये प्रोजेक्ट, या ठीक है मॉनेटरी चीज़ भी एक वो होती है, आपकी मोटिवेशन होती है, लेकिन मेरे लिए हमेशा ये होता है कि यू नो इस कैरेक्टर में एक लॉन्ग टर्म एज एन एक्ट्रेस मुझे कितना वो एक मिलेगा. तो आई थिंक इश्क मुर्शिद में तो लाइक आई टोल्ड यू कि मैंने बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि इतना, क्योंकि मेरा काम बहुत कम था ना, मेरा सिर्फ लाइक 3 दिन के स्पेल्स होते थे. लाइक यू नो फॉर एक्टर्स इट टेक्स टाइम फॉर यू टू गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर, और मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि जैसे ही मैं मैरिन के कैरेक्टर में आ रही हूँ तो मेरा स्पेल खत्म, और वो मुझे कहते थे कि अब नेक्स्ट महीने हम मिलेंगे, बिकॉज आई हैड लाइक अ टोटल ऑफ ओनली लाइक 15 to 18 days. सो वो 6 महीने के अगर आप उसमें स्प्लिट करें तो इट्स ओनली 2 to 3 days की स्पेल.
तो मेरा एक्टिंग जो है आपकी ज़िंदगी में क्या मायने रखती है? Would you define yourself as an actor or not? Are you a part-time actor? Because आपने एक्टिंग की तो है consistently 10 साल, लेकिन I think this is the first like project that you'll actually be remembered for this character. Although you have, so I mean, what is your take on it? What is your position on acting?
I definitely consider myself an actor, but more than just calling myself an actor, I think everything that I do is a form of creative expression.
Right.
और एक्टिंग भी मेरे लिए एक क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन है. जिस तरह से जो दूसरी चीज़ें मैं करती हूँ, चाहे वो कंटेंट रिलेटेड हो या बिहाइंड द कैमरास, बिहाइंड द सीन्स जो मैं काम कुछ करती हूँ, क्रिएटिव काम, दे आर ऑल पार्ट ऑफ सम सॉर्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन.
बिल्कुल.
इवन द होल ब्यूटी थिंग दैट आई एम इनटू और द मेकअप थिंग दैट आई एम इनटू, वो बचपन से मैं आई हैव जस्ट बीन इनटू काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग फेसेस एंड बीन इनटू द काइंड ऑफ the anatomy of the human face, and I've just been into those kind of things because I've always observed a lot. तो बचपन से मैनरिज्म्स भी अगर मैं ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ तो मैं फीचर्स भी ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ, तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे अंदर था दिस होल एक्टिंग कब था, लेकिन मे बी वी weren't really talking about it outrightly, क्योंकि बचपन से एक्सपेक्टेशंस कुछ होती हैं पेरेंट्स की आपसे, स्पेशली अगर वो बाहर मुल्क जाके आपको पढ़ाते हैं, तो फिर वो ये तो नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करते कि इस सारी यूनिवर्सिटी और सब कुछ के बाद हमारी बेटी ये कहेगी कि ओके बाय द वे आई एम गोइंग टू पाकिस्तान
टू एक्ट. हाँ. So tell me a bit about your background. Where were you coming from? I know Zara is your sister.
Yes.
And also super talented that she is. But where were you coming from when you came into fashion or acting or?
जब मैं 8 साल की थी तो I had moved from Pakistan to the US.
Okay.
और उधर मैं रही.
You were born here.
I was born in Pakistan, in Karachi. तो जब अमेरिका मूव हुई तो उधर एलिमेंट्री स्कूल, जूनियर हाई, हाई स्कूल, यूनिवर्सिटी सब कर लिया. बीच में छोटी छोटी हमारी ट्रिप्स रहती थी पाकिस्तान में, when I kind of became a teenager and kind of got a little bit of taste of like acting and everything.
Were anybody in your family was in acting, your parents?
Interestingly enough, my father got discovered by, I believe it's Farooq Rin's uncle.
Really?
Yeah, it's a coincidence. Because I don't even think, yeah, he got discovered at a cafe. He was, I think my father was like a professor at that time, and I want to say Sindh University is going to kill me if this is wrong, but he was definitely a creative guy. He had his advertising agency, and he was also teaching at a university. And one fine day, I think he was just sitting in a cafe. वो कैफे में बैठे हुए थे, उनकी नई नई शादी हुई थी मेरी अम्मी के साथ, और उस टाइम पे आई बिलीव हारून रिन नाम था उन डायरेक्टर का, और उन्होंने पापा को देखा, एंड सो ही थॉट दैट माय फादर कुड बी अ रियली गुड हीरो. तो उन्होंने उनको ऑफर किया, एंड दिस वाज लाइक काइंड ऑफ इन द लेट 70s, आई वांट टू से, राइट बिफोर द 80s. और शायद I'm thinking 2-3 साल के लिए Papa worked, and he became very popular very quick, because he was a very handsome guy but also a strong performer.
Right.
He did.
उस वक्त क्या कर रहे थे?
उस वक्त
क्या करते थे उस वक्त?
Well, he was a professor. Right.
So he was like full-time academic.
Yeah, he was academic, and he also was helping.
Nothing to do with creative art or acting.
Advertising agency. So and he also used to paint.
Right.
So he was creative. It's just that he wasn't really taking it seriously.
Right.
So when he kind of stumbled onto acting, it kind of was natural that it made sense that he was really good at it, because he had that artistic flair. उनका भी था. और फिर ये हुआ कि 2-3 साल उन्होंने एक्टिंग की. आई थिंक he's worked with like Behrouz Sabzwari, and in fact my brother is named Behrouz because my father was working with Behrouz Sabzwari at that time, and my brother was born.
Wow, the influence of television.
Yeah, exactly. And so ये सब कुछ हुआ, and he became very popular very quick, and then he ended up leaving Pakistan.
Okay.
Because he just wanted to study further over there, and just there were some reasons. I think Pakistan में कुछ changes भी आ गए थे उस वक्त.
Right.
Things started becoming a little bit more, I want to say, from progressive, they started kind of digressing in that, time.
80s.
And so he kind of, उनको ऐसे लग रहा था कि शायद मैं I'm like a misfit right now. So I think he went to just kind of explore himself in the US.
Right.
तो खैर हम move हुए. We studied there, and and one fine day I decided to really just move to Pakistan, and लेकिन ये चीज़ें मैंने बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज में ऑलरेडी मैं अपना बैकग्राउंड बता चुकी हूँ, बट it was just something inside of me that was saying that Pakistan is a place that I really want to explore, and I want to, aside from जो सारी चीज़ें जो मैं अमेरिका में कर रही थी, creative direction या art direction या anything related to tech. I was doing a lot of tech work, like kind of web design, visual design, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें कर रही थी मैं. So there was something inside of me that said that maybe I
Or Pakistan.
or Pakistan.
And you found your soulmate here.
And I found my soulmate here.
In the industry.
Little did I know, because जब मैं इधर आई तो मैंने ये चीज़ अपने आप को promise किया हुआ था कि I'm not going to get into anything like that, because I'm going to work. मैं काम करने जा रही हूँ और मैं इस दफ़ा बहुत focused हूँ. कुछ भी इस तरह का नहीं होगा. Nobody's gonna come in between my work.
और क्या हुआ?
7 months later, I met Ali.
हाँ.
It didn't take long. I think 6-7 months later. July 2010 में मैं आई थी, and I met Ali in March of 2011.
Ali is such a genuine guy, and he's so lovely.
Yeah.
That he seems like the kind of person you want to see a character like him on screen.
Yes.
And absolutely, he's really really a lovely person.
He really is, and I think that is one of the things that immediately was something that I felt like just consistent. Like how he behaves with me or with an elder or with a child, there's not a whole lot of a difference, because he's his genuine self to everybody. And I really liked that. It was refreshing when I met him.
Do you consult him when you're signing on to a play? Or
A lot.
Yeah.
And I think he gives me the best advice.
Yeah.
He does. Once in a while, we're both wrong about each other. Like, in the sense that sometimes I'll be overly critical with his work. Abhi recently, I think I remember being a little too critical about something that he did. Right. But he's always really nice to me, but he gives me the right points. Right. Like he'll have very good things to say, like, अभी भी like आने से पहले मैं अली से कह रही थी कि I'm like, do you have any tips, like what, and he was like, just be yourself here, and like just he's like, I want people to know you for you, and just be yourself. So we kind of consult each other for everything, from what we're wearing to what kind of roles we should sign on. In fact, Ali helps me read the Urdu scripts. Okay. क्योंकि मेरी उर्दू की रीडिंग अब तो बहुत बेहतर हो गई है, लेकिन स्लो बहुत है, और कभी-कभी लोगों को इमीडिएटली जवाब चाहिए होता है. बिल्कुल. कि आप प्लीज आप बताएं कि आप करेंगी या नहीं. कल तक बता दें हमें. 3 घंटे में बता दें. Exactly.
But Hira, what kind of roles are you looking for now? अब आपको क्या दिल चाहता है कि at this stage in your career and you've done a lot of work, you can act, and किस किस्म के roles क्या लिखे जा रहे हैं ऐसे characters जो आप करना चाहो, कोई देख के लगता है कि यार I really wish I could do this character, या you wish के एक certain kind of character लिखा जाए, for women who are not 18, 19, 20, 21 जो बैठ के इंतजार कर रही हैं कि उनका रिश्ता आए और उनकी शादी हो, फिर उनका हस्बैंड टॉक्सिक हो, उनको अब्यूज करे, फिर वो सारा नेविगेट करे. I mean, ज़्यादातर कहानियाँ तो ये लिखी जा रही हैं ना. Right. But for somebody who's slightly more mature, what kind of roles would you like to see emerging?
एक तो I want to see Pakistan kind of get away a little bit from reality, just on the whole.
Okay, fantasy.
ठीक है. I think that it's about time. I think television पे हमें इतना नहीं वो होना चाहिए कि ऐसे कब होता है, ये कौन करता है. We don't watch international stuff like that when we're watching. जब हम लोग Netflix पे चीजें देख रहे होते हैं तो हम लोग उस मोड में तो नहीं होते ना कि ऐसे क्या कब होता है, ऐसे कपड़े कौन पहनता है. You just kind of go with it कि ये एक setting है और ये एक इमेजिनरी दुनिया है और उसके अंदर ये हो रहा है.
But as long as उस दुनिया के मुताबिक चीजें हो रही हैं.
हाँ, उस दुनिया के मुताबिक हो. Or so I would like to see a lot of kind of fantasy kind of work, or any kind of like mystery kind of stuff happening, suspense, series type का काम I would like to do. Other than that, yes, आपका जो सवाल था कि क्या मैं कुछ roles देखकर कहती हूँ कि हाँ ये I should have been considered for it, या मुझे ये करना था.
Yeah, you would like to do something like that.
Yeah, I think there has been a few times where I've seen on television कि अरे I think I could have done that one, But aside from that, one thing that I would really like to see on Pakistani television is, like we were talking about earlier, कि एक पढ़ी लिखी लड़की जो शायद इतनी तेज ना हो जितनी आप हमेशा उसको दिखाते हैं. एक पढ़ी लिखी लड़की जो आपको शायद मॉडर्न लग रही है लेकिन अंदर से वो बहुत सिंपल है. उसको नहीं एक्चुअली जो एक कभी कभी पाकिस्तानी सोसाइटी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें लड़कियों को पता होती हैं शुरू से कि इस तरह से नहीं बात करनी, ऐसे नहीं करना, अगर ये करना है तो ये नहीं करना. लाइक वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें बचपन से पाकिस्तानी लड़कियां बहुत कंडीशन होती हैं उस सेंस में कि उनको पता होता है कि अगर ये करना है तो इसके लिए हमें ये करना पड़ेगा, ये करना है. और कभी कभी जो बाहर की लड़कियां होती हैं वो मैंने जो अपने एक्सपीरियंस में देखा है कि वो एक्चुअली थोड़ी सिंपल होती हैं इन द सेंस के उनको लगता है कि
Right.
फेस वैल्यू
Yeah,
पे हम जाएंगे कि जो बंदा है वो वही है
Yeah.
और अगर मैं इस तरह की हूँ तो मैं भी इस तरह की हूँ कोई अंदर अल्टीरियर मोटिव नहीं है तो आई वुड रियली लाइक कि अगर वो वाला साइड एक पढ़ी लिखी लड़की का दिखाया जाए जिसमें उसके अंदर कंपैशन दिखाया जाए यू नो कि फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे याद है कि जब मैं नई नई पाकिस्तान में आई थी तो मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत बॉदर करती थी लाइक यू नो ट्रैफिक हो जाए या कुछ भी अगर हम कोई यू नो लोगों को देखें कुछ ऐसी हालत में जो वर नॉट यूज्ड टू तो एकदम दिल के अंदर यू नो कुछ फीलिंग आती थी एंड आई हैव सीन अदर गर्ल्स गो थ्रू दैट और अदर गाइज गो थ्रू दैट एंड देन soon enough though we learn to kind of desensitize ourselves और फिर हम जो हमारी एक कंपैशन होती है वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता थोड़ा सा जो है ना वो इट गोज समवेयर आई डोंट नो वेयर इट गोज बट we're just constantly हमें बस यही बताया जाता है कि ये पाकिस्तान है ये फलाना मुल्क नहीं है ये पाकिस्तान है तो पाकिस्तान में आपको ये वाली चीजें एक्सेप्ट करनी होंगी कि यू नो रोड पे आपको कोई ऐसे लोग नजर आएंगे जो इतनी बुरी हालत में है बट यू हैव टू नॉट बी सेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स देम यू हैव टू लर्न हाउ टू turn that button off in yourself. तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि कुछ ऐसा दिखाया जाए जिसमें ये वाली जो फीलिंग्स एक बाहर की लड़की की या चलो पाकिस्तान में भी बहुत सारी ऐसी लड़कियां हैं जो बाहर नहीं पढ़ी जो पाकिस्तान में अच्छी पढ़ी लिखी हैं वो कितना अच्छा काम कर रही हैं you know there are some women who have really you know achieved some great things and they're working for some amazing causes.
I mean Aisha Chandrigar for example.
Aisha Chandrigar, yeah absolutely. Her and there's so many that are not even in the public limelight that are not even they don't even care to be in the limelight और वो चुपचाप अच्छी चीजें कर रही हैं
उन पे भी कहानियां लिखें
उन पे कहानियां लिखें लेकिन सवाल फिर ये है कि फिर अगर उनके ऊपर कहानियां लिखें तो फिर सवाल हमेशा ये आता है कि how will our masses relate
बिल्कुल
because at the end of the day फिर numbers की बात आ जाती है कि सब relate करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे और बस यही होता है ना कि what needs to happen first? Do we need to empower our people first? कोई aspirational content हमें उनको दिखाना चाहिए that changes their mind about something. Who is going to come in and do that? ना कि वो कौन करेगा कौन risk लेगा because everybody kind of just wants के जो एक चीज़ है वो बस चल जाए. We don't want to be the ones experimenting with something new. We just want a sure shot formula जो हम करें और वो बहुत successful हो जाए. तो वो थोड़ा सा I think थोड़ा सा time लगेगा but I'm really looking forward to जो मैंने सुना है कि Netflix पे जो चीजें आ रही हैं पाकिस्तान के through and I'm really you know hopeful that some great things happen and we're able to and some great things have happened as far as films are concerned. So I feel like it's only a matter of time. It has changed so far in the past 10 years. जहाँ से मैंने शुरू किया था और अब जहाँ पर हम पहुँचे I do see a little bit of change happening.
Right.
So I'm hoping कि मैं इस तरह के characters कर करके कुछ और ideas आ जाएंगे किसी के mind में.
Right.
क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में तो बहुत सारी alternate endings और you know अगर मेरीन की अलग से कहानी लिखी जाए तो वो क्या हो सकती है मेरे माइंड में तो बहुत आइडियाज हैं
मतलब कि नंबर्स की बात करें तो नंबर्स तो आ गए हैं मतलब
नंबर्स आ गए
नंबर्स ऐसे वैसे
और वो भी मतलब कोई और you know मुझे होता तो and I really appreciate you know obviously Mumul Productions and the director because हमने set पे like Dada kept this environment that was he never lets the actors feel as if there's any burden on them. And I was so amazed by that. Like he gives it's like he blocks out the rest of the world from the actor.
Right.
And even if like there's free time in between, वो हमेशा कुछ और बात करते हैं. And then it comes just 2 minutes जब scene shoot होने से पहले उनका ये होता है कि अच्छा lines कर लेते हैं. And then at that point, then he has a license to either change everything that you thought you knew about that scene. तो मुझे याद है कि मैं माइंड में एक चीज एनविजन करके आती थी कि ये वाला सीन तो मैं ऐसे करूंगी और इस तरह लाइक कुछ मेरे रूम के सीन्स थे जो मैंने इमेजिन किए हुए थे कि मैं इस तरह से लेटी हुई होंगी और मैं ये करूंगी बट लिटिल डिड आई नो कि जब मैं पहुंची तो मेरा तो रूम ही नहीं था. Did you notice?
We've never seen Marine's room now.
Have you seen Shamir's room?
No.
Have you seen Shibra's room?
A little bit. But no.
So Marine didn't have a room.
Yeah.
बाकियों का नहीं पता but I just didn't have a room. तो कहने का मकसद ये है कि बहुत सारी चीजें एकदम हो जाती थी and you had to really be on your feet. But yeah, lot of fun.
Lot of fun.
Yeah.
But it seems like a nice set to work on.
It was.
It seems like a nice set to work on, and you know.
इस तरह का सेट था कि मैं आती थी और मुझे ये फीलिंग होती थी कि yes, this is why I chose acting. This
Yeah.
is why, because it
Yeah.
was that kind of environment. You know, a lot of people ask me how it was working with Bilal. Everybody's so curious.
Of course.
And I think that he was such a nice, humble person.
Yeah.
Such a humble person in the sense that, you know, some people, they are great performers, but unfortunately the vibe that they create on the set is, you know, not so
uncomfortable.
Sometimes it just becomes uncomfortable for no reason.
Yeah.
And with him, it was really nice. I remember before each scene that we had, he would come and he would be like, lines kar le, and then very nicely we would sit together, we would do our scenes, and uske baad bhi, you know, not even once, I don't think anybody on that set kind of, including Umair Rana, super cool, Adnan Jafar, cool in his own way, and even Faraz, the Awais Suleiman, super cool, and Bilal was also cool. So I had a great time, and
you almost have no scenes with Ray, except for one that we just saw. Almost no scenes.
One where I'd see them in that shop.
Yeah.
And
then one Abhi when you go to meet her.
But I go to her house as well, remember?
You do.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah, so it was those three instances jab mera aur Dure ka hua tha scene. Yeah. So very little work.
Very little work
with her.
Yeah. But interesting.
Yeah.
Absolutely interesting. You being somebody who's very stylish and very particular about look, and how did you feel about your father's mustache?
How did I not see this one coming? Out of all the things जो मैंने सोचा था कि आमना शायद ये भी पूछेगी, but this one, why did I think of this?
Mr. Haroon की नकली मूंछ, भाई वो कितनी नकली थी?
Yeah.
वो ऐसी नकली थी कि जैसे आप लोगों को बताना चाह रहे हैं कि आज हम इन पे नकली मूंछ चिपकाएंगे. I was like, क्यों? Why could he not get a better mustache?
Again, I would like to say that I, you know, give a lot of credit to Adnan Jafar for not making a fuss about it. In the sense that in Pakistan, you either have to make a big fuss about something and just be called a difficult actor, or you just go with the flow and you just do what... Because at the end of the day, you see, it has to be somebody else who's looking from the camera telling you that this is a problem or that you need to change it. अगर आपको सब कह रहे हैं कि सब ठीक है, then as Adnan Jafar, you're also gonna feel like it's fine. And I think that towards the end, I remember मैं देख रही थी उस दिन और मुझे इतनी नहीं bother कर रही थी वो mustache. It wasn't bothering me that much. I'm like, it grew on me. No pun intended. Yeah. And but let's focus more on how maybe there's an opportunity for our get-up makeup artists to improve upon their skills.
थी तो बहुत funny.
Yeah.
बहुत funny.
I don't want to say it. My dad.
like,
I'm daddy's princess.
बिल्कुल.
But हाँ, देखिए ना, ये वही बात है कि अदनान जाफर और या हारून बेग की मस्टैश या कोई भी पाकिस्तानी ड्रामे में जब मैं कोई इस तरह की मस्टैश या नकली बाल देखती हूँ, मुझे from having like a little bit of experience and from the beauty, the makeup aspect of things, I just feel like overall there's a huge opportunity for some good get-up artists to be in our country.
Is it something you would take up ever?
No.
Because
imagine having to just fix people's mustaches on.
No, but to create looks for characters or...
Maybe.
That's like a serious role.
Yeah.
To play in improving the quality of what we see on television.
Maybe aage jaake, I would like to maybe work on a project where I can like handle the entire kind of look and feel.
Yeah.
Maybe one day do direction as well.
Right.
But obviously when you're a director, you can make those kind of calls, right? You can say कि नहीं है सही नहीं है. But I just remember Dada's so funny. He was just like, he was laughing about it, and so there was a lot of things that Dada was very chill about. And so that's his approach. And that's why I look at everybody and the role they play to create something like this. कि लोग कुछ भी कहें, there are certain people that it just doesn't faze them and it doesn't matter. And at the end of the day, they give you a product where none of it matters anyway.
Yeah.
People are still watching it.
Absolutely. Who cares? So,
और सो यू नो जो कुछ भी था, जितना कुछ भी लोगों को कहना था उन्होंने कह दिया, मेरे लिए भी कह दिया, दूसरे कुछ लोगों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें कही कि इस तरह से दाऊद के साथ इतनी फ्री क्यों होती है, एंड बहुत सारे ठीक है, everybody has their own way of watching,
Yeah.
and perhaps if I had nothing to do with this drama and if I was just watching either like a critic or just like a regular viewer, तो हो सकता है मैं भी मुझे भी कुछ नज़र आ जाता, लेकिन मुझे सिर्फ ये बात एक है कि अगर मैरीन जैसी एक लड़की है जो पॉलिटिशियन की बेटी है और वो एक बहुत ही इस तरह के बैकग्राउंड से आती है जहाँ पे she probably has to interact with a lot of politicians, और and because दाऊद अंकल के साथ इतनी पुरानी उसकी एक है connection, so why wouldn't she be okay and comfortable speaking to him?
That thought never crossed my mind.
It didn't cross your mind, but it was something that somebody else made such a big deal about. But people say all kinds of things.
Yeah, no, I guess people judge with their own perspective, so मुझे तो बड़ा natural लगा था.
And it was also about the clothes, के कपड़े ऐसे पहन के, but
नहीं, वो भी ठीक था बिल्कुल. कपड़ा मेरी ऐसी ड्रेस करेगी, मतलब है कि yeah.
She could have dressed in a different way as well, but it was the choice that it was made. The choice was made that this is what she's going to be. क्योंकि शिब्रा से contrast भी दिखाना था बहुत ज़्यादा.
Absolutely.
और कुछ ऐसा दिखाना था कि, Shamir has his type and she's not it.
Absolutely.
So, either I could have been in a popularity contest and did all the things that everybody likes.
No
but उसमें फिर मैरीन का मुझे लगता है कि शायद मैरीन का नहीं आता उसमें.
You've done a good job, which is why people are hating my Marine.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Bhera, what now? You just mentioned that you're going to sort of revamp and relaunch your brand of clothing. You had a very, very strong brand of clothing.
I did. Yeah. I had a strong clothing brand. And what I'm doing now is I am hoping to start out with a makeup brand.
Okay.
And also skincare.
ठीक है.
And later on using that brand to also introduce some clothing pieces.
ठीक है.
So that's kind of in the works. The makeup and the skincare is something I've been working on for the past 2.5 years.
Okay.
But like I said, earlier when we were talking off camera, I take time when I do these kind of things because it's such a huge responsibility. When you're putting a product out in the market, it's not like clothing to phir bhi thoda sa, you have that a little bit of wiggle room, margin. Ke thoda sa you can make your mistakes and learn your way through it. But with skincare and makeup, I really want to make sure that the product that I'm putting out, and I'm confident
what kind of product are you going to launch?
That I can't talk about right now.
Okay.
But what I can talk about is the fact that the idea is to, of course, make things easier for people when it comes to makeup. Because ab jo mera lifestyle as a mother and as just like a professional, having this acting career and having to play multiple roles, so I tend to gravitate towards ऐसी चीजें जो मेरे लिए एक चीज ही बहुत कुछ कर सके.
Right.
तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि उस तरह का कुछ हो.
Right.
And I've already started working, as in काम हो चुका है. It should be out hopefully in the next 6 months, inshallah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you've got a plan.
Yeah. And as far as acting is concerned, I know you were asking me earlier. Acting का बस ये है कि बस I'm just waiting for something to pull me in again. The way kind of Ishq Murshid sounded right.
Yeah.
From the beginning.
उससे पहले there was तेरे बन जाओ.
मेरे बन जाओ.
मेरे बन जाओ, तेरे बन जाओ. Yeah. Also a very bold drama.
Yeah.
A very brave subject to talk about, but I just felt that it just went on for too long.
Yes.
Yeah. And again, I wasn't happy to see you again cast as somebody who was going to be the troublemaker in the house, because I just feel that you can do a lot more.
Yeah. What do you think that I could do? Because here's the thing, with Mere Ban Jao, I wanted to do that role not because I looked at her as a troublemaker, लेकिन मैं इस वजह से वो रोल करना चाहती थी क्योंकि लोगों का मैंने सुना था कि उनके माइंड में मेरे बारे में ये इम्प्रेशन है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंग्लिश या अंग्रेजी टाइप हूँ, बहुत फैशन.
वो लग रहा था जैसे कि इसका मकसद यही था.
अच्छा लग रहा था वो. Maybe it was too obvious.
वो लग रहा था कि ये मकसद यही था कि भाई मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा
हाँ.
हाँ मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ
ठीक है.
तो
ठीक है.
वो भी लोगों को सरप्राइजिंगली बहुत पसंद आया है और याद है लोगों को वो
हाँ. हाँ.
नॉट सरप्राइजिंगली आई मीन आई कुड सी व्हाई पीपल वुड लाइक नादरा उसका
Yeah.
नाम ही ऐसा था
Yeah.
Nadra was funny and Nadra and her the sibling chemistry people really appreciated
Yeah.
with Zayed and I और वो accent जो that I had put on it was quite I know you guys had a lot to say about that but
Yeah. We just felt that they all had different accents. उस एक घर में तीन लोगों के तीन different accent थे.
yeah I get that
वो problem था.
I get that.
Yeah.
That was a fair
Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
analysis of
yeah.
it.
But what you're saying, sorry, I'm cutting you.
No.
What you're saying that an educated girl
Yeah.
who
What
is
do you
also
think?
one with sensitivity and empathy and a constructive role in society, that's the character that I would envision you in. I mean, that would be a nice character for you to play if anybody ever wrote a character like that.
Yeah. Do you
know?
hear her, guys? Hello,
Yeah.
if you're watching and if you're a director or
Exactly.
a producer or a writer.
Or a writer.
Yeah.
Or a producer.
Yeah, I
especially.
would love to. I've been
Absolutely.
telling my father this, and he's also been saying, he's like, Baba, you know, I think you got to write yourself. And I'm like,
Yeah.
oh man, I'm like, it seems like that's what's going to
Yeah.
need to happen.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मैं यही सोच रही हूँ कि, you know, it's high time now that we do start showing. And I know it does happen. But when it happens, people again want to go for the people that have been playing the Eastern roles for
Yeah.
so many years.
Yeah.
They automatically gravitate towards
Them.
those people to then play that modern role as well. Again, to make it that relatable
Yeah.
to the masses.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm looking forward to something like that for sure.
Absolutely. Is there anything in the pipeline right now?
There's a few projects that I'm reading right now.
Okay.
And again, I'm not going to be able to take up all of them. तो
Right.
उनमें से मैं एक कुछ decide करूँगी.
हाँ.
और या तो वो जो बीच वाला एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है जिसमें आप बस पैसे थोड़े से बनाते हो और then you kind of look forward to another kind of bigger project या तो वो होगा या तो फिर मैं wait करूँगी till another good project comes along.
Right.
So yeah, I'm just waiting to see.
Did you know that this one would be this big?
अब मुझे definitely ये पता था कि इसका लोग देखेंगे इसको. ये तो मुझे पता था. But this big? No. बिल्कुल भी. I did not expect this. At least not for myself, because when I read Marine, it didn't seem like it had that much. I just kind of did it. I was like, let's just go on set and let's see what I can bring to this. और फिर yeah, जो कुछ हुआ, I'm very, very excited and happy about it. Yeah.
And I guess we'll see you in the cinema.
The
last episode is.
Are you going?
I mean, yeah, I will be, of course, for the last episode.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I mean, it's always fun.
Yeah, it's fun.
It's fun to go to the cinema and watch a drama that you've been watching on TV.
I've never done that. Did you? Have you ever done?
Yeah. They've shown Parizad. They showed, I think, Mere Paas Tum Ho ki aakhri episode. So quite a few, the ones who do really well.
Yeah.
And the last episode gets.
And how does a drama look in the cinema?
Weird.
Does it look weird? Like does it seem like
it's not shot for cinema?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, it's not shot for cinema, for that bigger screen. So it looks a bit weird. But that's okay.
But why do I feel like maybe Farooq Rin's frames might end up looking nice?
They might. We never know. You never know.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I'm looking forward to see, because even like I told you before, Amna, even I don't know what's going to happen at the end.
I don't believe that.
I swear.
I
have an idea. I have an idea, but मुझे पूरा नहीं पता कि इस कैरेक्टर के साथ ये होगा, इसका वाइंड अप ये होगा. Like I was telling you, मेरा वाइंड अप मुझे कोई और एक्टर ने बताया है. मुझे पता भी नहीं था, because मैं उस टाइप की हूँ नहीं. You know, I kind of like to keep the mystery going even for myself when I'm working on a project.
So you never read it till the end?
No, but the end wasn't there. And when the end came to me, yeah, I can even actually probably read it right now. But I like keeping that mystery.
ठीक है.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि Marine का अगर उस जो last script जो मैंने पढ़ी है, मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि उसमें clear होगा कि क्या हुआ. And I thought it was only till episode 29 or 30. लेकिन अब हम देख रहे हैं कि 31 तक आ रहा है, तो हो सकता है कि उन्होंने उसके बाद भी कुछ extend किया हो to fill in some of the pieces. So I really don't know.
We'll find out.
We'll find out.
Very soon.
Yeah.
We'll find out very soon,
Yeah,
but congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations for such a good drama, such a good response. I mean, it's huge. Ish Murshid right now is huge.
It is huge,
And I'm so glad that you're part of it.
Yeah.
And I do hope that you get roles that are more sort of befitting to who you are. You know. Again, modern, somebody with empathy, and somebody sensitive and educated, but good.
Yes.
good at heart,
Yes.
not always evil.
Now that I've started to like playing evil roles,
Evil
now Amna is
roles,
hoping something else for me.
I know.
But yeah.
No. We can diversify.
It's fun
a little
being
bit.
bad, let me tell you.
I'm
Especially,
sure.
yeah. Because you know, see, when you're different in real life, you really feel like you're playing a role. When you're being,
Yeah. Absolutely.
And then and so yeah, it's fun.
It's fun.
It's fun. Yeah.
But here again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And we will meet very soon again in
Yes,
cinemas.
hopefully.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.